Hi. Okay, what are you going to eat in the new year? This is 2024. I just watched a quick little blurb on how someone is projecting that clean eating is going to be all the rage. And that definitely perked me up because I thought, what is next? We literally have gone through low fat craze, low carb craze, protein is out, all the fad with the collagen and all of the stuff. And so now what is society going to pick on next? And I think it was a reel, the guy actually said, it's not going to be about the macros. We're now going to pick on the ingredients. And I thought, oh my gosh, the trends of society continue to evolve. What I would love to see happen in 2024, that we have more conversations on how you're eating and less on the what. Let's imagine that. Let's imagine if you were to have more conversations on how you eat, meaning where, what pace, what's your experience like, what does it taste like, who are you with, versus the carbs or the proteins or the fat or the ingredients. What if we went beyond the what, which is the what of food is so valuable. I have a PhD in preventive care. I get that science can be beautiful and magnificent. The behavior of how someone interacts around the food is so important. And every single body is different. Every single human interacts with a carb, a protein, and a fat and the ingredients differently. So we could talk about clean eating all day long, but for one person, that is going to be really helpful. For the next person, it's going to literally kill them because they're going to develop a disease where the obsession of clean eating snuffs out the rest of their life. So the what of eating is not universal. It's different for everybody. The how and these principles, they can stand the test of time. How you eat with others, the pace, how you're using your senses. They're harder to discuss and they're not a sexier sell, but I would love to see conversations happening. If you're wanting a diet in 2024, start to look at how you're eating. You will transform your health much more significantly than if your focus continues to be on the what. This was helpful. Like and subscribe and follow along. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I'm the owner of Imagine Wellness. I see patients nationwide. I'm a doctor, dietitian, and coach, and I work on the connection between your mind and your body, and we untangle that relationship to get you to your next level of health. I specialize in eating disorders and disordered eating, and also mind-body connections. Thank you so much.